Identifying as non-binary, it's always been a constant battle for me. At the time when queer wasn't really the nicest thing to say, that was being thrown a lot, or the F word. You just always feel unknown. You just feel like you never belong anywhere. My name is Daniel. I'm a stage experience and services lead at Sephora. I am a Filipino American. I'm queer, non-binary, gay identifying. I was born in the Philippines and I moved here when I was 5. Growing up with a lot of boys, including my cousins, my brothers, my uncles. Masculinity was a big part. Because I was born a male, I had to play that front. That's not what I resonated with. Always wanted to be with my mom. I was a mama's boy. I always wanted to be in the kitchen. I wanted to learn how to cook. I wanted to do all those things. I definitely, growing up, knew I was different. So, I start hearing things like, oh, don't do that, only girls do that, don't be a girl, that's so gay, as simple as that is. At that time, that hurt. That was one of the biggest things at Sephora that kept me going, is that they really care about your development. That's why I chose to stay here and really make Sephora my home. When I think of beauty, I think of the diversity of Asia itself. Like, you'll never find the same face shape. It's amazing, just to see diversity in our own selves. Sometimes we're grouped into one category, but when you uncover and unpack everything, it's just beautiful. Even like the monolid, it's one of the unique things that make us who we are. We have to continue to celebrate it, because that's one of the things that's unique to us. And essentially part of celebrating is embracing it, supporting each other about loving it. A lot of the cultures and customs stay with us, traditions and all that, they still exist today. So Filipino folk dance, it's very extensive. This is a representation of me, my culture, and all the stories that need to be told that haven't been told. The dance I traditionally dance is Pandango sa Ilaw, which directly translates to Dance of the Lights. I have grown to love myself in every way possible, no matter what label may have been put on me. I've taken the wheel and really have driven my own life. Live life like there's no one watching. There's gonna be someone who's watching and you're inspiring them.